welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play You Wreck Me by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. And if you subscribe to our channel, it's completely free. It helps us out a lot. We have 150 videos now of song tutorials and other tips and tricks about playing guitar. And if you subscribe, you'll get a notification every time we put a new one out. So let's get started with the lesson. To begin with, this song is in standard tuning with a capo on the first fret. The primary chord progression is going to be a D, an A, and an E. It's a simple E chord, or D chord. Second fret on the E, second fret on the G, third fret on the B. The A is going to be the second fret of the D, G, and B strings. Then your D major is going to be the second fret of the A, second fret of the D, and the first fret of the G string. It goes like this. D to A to E, D to A to E. So in the beginning of the song, they play this 4 times. That's the chorus. Then he starts singing and it becomes the verse. And for the verse, you're going to play that again. You're going to go. For 4 times. And on the 5th time, you hit a G chord. That's going to be the 3rd fret on the E, 2nd fret on the A. Then you're going to take these 2 fingers and put them on the B and the E string down here on the 3rd fret. And then for 2 times, you're going to do this. You're going to go G, A, G, D, A. You're going to do that twice. Then you're going to go back to the D, A, E 2 times. Then you're going to hit the G again, and you're going to let it ring for a minute. Then hit the A. And that's how you end the verse. So it goes. Play it 4 more times for the chorus, and then you go back into another verse and you're going to play it 4 more times. You're going to do the G, D, A again. Then you're going to do the chorus. It's going to be that again 4 times. And from that, it's going to go into this bridge. And the bridge is a little different. It goes. So that's basically going to be a C chord. You're going to have your first finger up here on the 1st fret of the B string. On the D string, you're going to put this finger on the 2nd fret. Then you're going to put your 3rd finger on the A string on the third fret. Second, third, first. Okay. And you're gonna move it up to make it a G chord and back really quick. And all you're really doing is you're taking these two fingers and you're moving them each up a string and then back down. It goes. It does it twice. It goes. And from there, I slide up and I bar up here 4 frets down from the capo, bottom 4 strings. Then I put my second finger on the 5th fret up from the capo here. Okay, so this is the bridge from beginning to end. From there, it goes back into D, A, E. So it repeats it an awful lot, and it changes in the very end. So in the very end, they do the chorus. They do it twice. So they go through that like 8 times, I guess. And then Tom Petty stops singing. And then they change it just a little bit in the end. They just go. So the last 4 times they play it, they're going to go D, A, D, A, E, D, A, D, A, E. Then it rings out. So they play with a capo, and that's if you want to play along with the recording, that's how you would do it. If you don't like playing with the capo, after you've learned the song, and as long as the other bass player, guitar player you're playing with is tuned the same way, you can play it with just typical beginner first position chords. It's a pretty easy song to play. Tom Petty is proof that great songs don't really have to be complicated, because he has a lot of songs like this, and they're really great for beginners to play that have just learned some beginner's chords. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, all right? Thank you. Have a great day.